Hi children, hope all of you are doing good. I am Naglakshmi. Today we shall get introduced to chemistry. What is chemistry? It is a branch of science that deals with the study of substances like their composition, structure, and properties. It also helps us to identify the substance on the basis of physical properties like color, state, taste, odor, solubility in water, etc. Let us learn with example salt. It is white in color, solid in state, odorless means it doesn't have smell. It is soluble in water means it dissolves in water. These all are the properties of salt. Let us learn about the few terms which are commonly used in chemistry. Chemicals, elements, compounds. Chemicals are the substances that make up the material of the world. Chemicals are found in hand sanitizers, soaps, shampoos, etc. Next is elements. Some substances occur naturally. They are called elements. Elements contain only one kind of atom. Example: helium, oxygen, gold, hydrogen, etc. In this example, you can observe helium is made up of one kind of atom. Even oxygen is also made up of one kind of atom. Next is compounds. Different elements combine together to form a compounds. Compounds contain two or more kinds of atoms. Example: water, sodium chloride, etc. In this example, water, you can observe it is made up of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom to form a compound. Now, let us go for the different branches of chemistry. On the basis of certain properties of a substance and how to deal with them, chemistry is divided into many groups. These groups are called branches of chemistry. The five main branches of chemistry are organic, inorganic, analytical, physical, and biochemistry. Organic chemistry deals with reaction, structure, and composition of compounds that contain carbon. Inorganic chemistry deals with the study of materials that do not have carbon. Analytical chemistry deals with analyzing the composition of materials. Physical chemistry deals with the relationship between physical properties and chemical composition of a substance, means their behavior of materials. Biochemistry, it deals with the chemical process of living organisms. Next, let us see how chemistry play an important role in our daily life. Uses of chemistry in some major fields. In agriculture, fertilizers are added to the soil to improve fertility of the soil. Example: urea, potassium sulfate, etc. Insecticides. It is used for killing insects that infect and destroy crops. These all are the substances that are made by using chemicals. Everybody is familiar with the properties of food such as its flavor, color, preservatives, and processing. Most of the foods are also obtained through these various chemical process. Example: refined oil, cheese, etc. In medicines, like in hospital, medicines, antiseptic, and disinfectants are made of chemicals which are used for curing patients. Example: penicillin, tetracycline, paracetamol, aspirin. These all are the medicines which are used to treat infections or made of chemicals. Even in clothing industry also chemistry play a very important role. In manufacturing synthetic fibers like rayon, nylon, terylene, these all are the gifts of chemistry. Now, let us learn about different apparatus used in chemistry laboratory. First one is test tube and test tube stand. In this picture, you can observe test tube. It is a small tube made of glass. It is used to heat small quantities of liquids or to mix different liquids. Next one is test tube stand. Test tube stand is a wooden or plastic stand. It has holes and pegs. These are pegs. Holes are used to hold several test tubes and pegs are used to place the washed test tubes for the water to drain out. Next apparatus is beaker. Beaker is a glass container made of glass. It is used for holding or measuring small quantities of liquids. Next apparatus is funnel. Funnel is made of glass or plastic. It is used for filtering liquids and pouring liquids from one vessel to another vessel. Next apparatus is conical flask. Conical flask is used for mixing of different solutions. It is a glass container which is used to store or heat liquid substance. Flask may be flat bottom or round bottom. Next is tripod stand. It is made of iron. It is used for supporting a glass apparatus while heating liquids. Means we can place the glass apparatus over this tripod stand while heating. Let us learn about few more apparatus used in chemistry laboratory in next class, children. Thank you. Take care.